got some happy mail from Teresa Church. This is something different, but unfortunately, you know, the way things are right now, it's been in quarantine for a few days. I just set the mail aside. Don't touch it, you know, that kind of thing. So I didn't open it until just yesterday. It's got some fun things in it. I didn't really open it. I just peeked at it to see if I was going to make a video about it or not. And it's got some cool stuff, so we are definitely making a video. This is an ATC. You know, guys, I do the Grumbacher swaps every time they have them, pretty much every month. It's every couple of months. And the last prompt was metal, and this is from Jamie Jocelyn from Tacoma, Washington, and it's rock metal. So this is the ATC I got back from her. Isn't it just fantastic? I don't know whether it is acrylics, but it kind of looks like watercolor maybe. Anyways, it's really nice. So, Jamie, if you happen to see this, thank you. And I'm just going to put this in here, probably in one of my tuck spots, because yeah, I'll just tuck it behind this one. Nope, that's not a tuck. This one's a tuck. So I'll just tuck it right in there. And then, let's see what Teresa sent us. There were die cuts in here, and they're just beautiful. So, they're just yummy in there. Like I said, thank you, Teresa. Before I even look, thank you. Ooh, that's fun. That's a tab. And these are vellum from the looks of them. Oh, and a really pretty butterfly. Some really pretty flowers. Some seahorses. Oh, that's his little star. I'm not sure if these are flowers or snowflakes. But likely as not, they will turn into flowers for me. And another really pretty butterfly. Seahorses. Oh, that looks like the seahorses have different sizes. There's something. Oh, another butterfly. These are gorgeous, Teresa. Oh, these are. Okay, this butterfly's wings is attached to everything else. Let's just get it undone. Come on now. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at this one. Oh, it's upside down. These are beautiful, Teresa. Thank you. I am going to. Oh, there's a mermaid in here. Oh, that's awesome. I am going to do a page. Oh, wow. That's. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to do a page in my little book, but let's see what the note says. I hope you will enjoy using these. Well, of course I will, Teresa. Thank you. I'm going to put my note in the, I think I'll just put it in that same little pocket, so I can remember that I got that from Teresa. I'll put those all off over there. Let's see if we can find a little page in here where some of those might be fun to use. Let's see what we've got. Will this show up on this page? I don't know. No, it doesn't show up very well on that page. Let's find someplace where it shows up a little better. But now, would one of these? That won't show up on there though. Like that. Let's see if we can. I'm just gonna look for a page that I think that they'll show up better. Oh, how about that? That will definitely show up better. Ooh, and I could do a whole 2-page spread here. That is what we're gonna do. And you guess, oh, I'll bring you in a little closer so you can see better. I think these will be little flowers. Let's just do a little. Yeah. There's a pink one. Let's do another pink one. Now we need another butterfly for the other side. Well, maybe we'll have the sun up there. That'd be fun to have the sun up there. Okay, I kind of like that. These are really delicate, so I'm just going to try to put just a little tiny bit of glue on them. Interesting, that doesn't want to stick down. There we go. These are beautiful, Teresa. Thank you so much. I'm going to put the rest of them in with my in my box of die cuts. Hope everyone is doing very well. Uh-oh. Fly away. I hope everyone is doing well. Hubby is out doing yard work again. That seems to be a never-ending chore. That does not want to stick. That vellum is interesting. It doesn't want to stick down. So pretty. Now, of course, we need to have some stems and, oh, dear. If it weren't for the giant red head on there, I'd lose it all the time. We have to have some stems and some little leaves for our flowers. That's way too big. Where's the little one? Can't find the tiny one. Oh, that's the same as that one. Well, I guess I'll use this one instead. This is a micron pen, and it will make a tiny line, and that's what I want. It's just a tiny line so that I can make some stems with some leaves. I think we need a little grass down here. Maybe some taller grass. There. Oh, I like it. Now then, these bits are from Teresa. Okay, today's date. Oh, I don't remember. It's April something. I'll look it up in a little bit. 2020 bits from Teresa. Teresa, thank you so much for these wonderful little bits. Let's bring you all the way in so you can see it good. I like it. It came out real fun. I like that I hunted for the blue page because, you know, the things weren't showing up really good on all the pages. So I'm going to go ahead and read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go figure out what the next thing to do for today is. Very few people look back on their lives and wish they had used their creativity less. I like that one a lot. Very few people look back on their lives and wish they had used their creativity less. That is so true. I only wish I had used it more. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.